slice on Fender is played in standard tuning with the low E string dropped to minor third down to C sharp. So the main riff of the song is really simple, it's just one note played repeated. So on the 7th fret the low E string played in 8th notes, just repeated 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Every now and then you'll hear that Sam bends the note very slightly, so we play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, and then the and 4 and the last 3 notes, just a slight bend on that note, so 1 and 2 and 3. The main riff for the chorus starts off on the 7th fret the A string, played 3 times, then drop down to 6, and then 4 3 times, so far. Then play 4 3 more times before going to the 7th fret on the low E string 3 times. So then we'll play 7 on the low E string 4 more times, and then 3 more times. So then go down to 3 on the low E string 3 times before dropping down to 2 once, and then open 3 times followed by another 3 times. Okay, so from the 7th fret of the low E string we've got then go back to the 7th fret on the low E string for 2 full bars. Second time through is exactly the same, only we're going to add that little slight bend on the 7th fret of the low E string there. So and then we're back into the main riff. So slowly. One other slight variation to the ending of the riff. So we go through the riff as normal. And instead of going through 7 on the low E string for a full bar and 8th notes, we just play it 3 times, then 2 short stabs. We go up to 10 twice, 12 twice, and 14 twice. Then back through the riff. Okay, so good luck jamming along with another fantastic Sam Fender song. You can find some more tutorials for his songs up here. Thanks for watching and take care.